Louisiana Fireworks is cutting prices. Shop inside for the cheapest prices guaranteed. Buy one, get three free. Snappers, poppers, tanks, firecrackers, Roman candles, and many, many more. Free! Shop inside our climate-controlled buildings for
one Bad Mother and Excalibur.
Our new Louisiana Fireworks building in Broussard will make you see fireworks tonight. In Lafayette, the building at I-10 and Ambassador Caffrey, and our new building in Broussard next to the movie theater and the Waffle House, plus tents in Rain, Ville Platte, Eunice, and Lafayette. Louisiana Fireworks.